The Sony Bravia 8 255-inch TV has been blowing up in my feed, so I grabbed one. Worth the hype? Let's see. Honestly, this thing is a beast. I mean, it justifies its price tag and then some. For those of you who don't know what QD-OLED and XR processor with AI technology even are, let me break it down for you. The spec sheet says QD-OLED offers over 8 million self-lit pixels precisely controlled to produce pure black, but real life feels like I've finally got a TV that can deliver on that promise. No more dull blacks or washed-out colors, this thing brings the contrast. The spec sheet also touts XR processor with AI technology as its powerhouse, and let me tell you, it's a game-changer. The image quality is so sharp and vivid, I mean, you can actually see the individual pixels now. And with 120Hz refresh rate and Dolby Vision/Atmos support, this thing is gonna make every movie night feel like a cinematic event. Here's the thing, if you're still using an old CRT TV or some low-end LED that's just not cutting it anymore, you need to upgrade. This Sony Bravia 8 II isn't just for those who think they can get by with subpar tech, it's for anyone serious about streaming and watching high-quality content. Now, let me talk about some real-world benefits. I mean, the quantum dot panel is seriously impressive. It brings out billions of accurate real-world colors, making everything feel more vibrant and alive than ever before. And those billions of quantum dot pixels? Yeah, they're a huge deal. It's not just some fancy spec sheet claim, this thing genuinely makes every scene pop. Here's where things get personal. If you've got a PS5 like I do, the exclusive features on this TV are a total no-brainer. Playing Godfall at 4K with HDR and XRS, it's like having your own private movie theater right in my living room. That feeling of immersion? Priceless. But let me be real here, there is one area where this TV falls short, and I want to mention it up front because I don't want any confusion down the line. You won't find 4K at 120Hz on any other smart TV like this, it's a Sony thing. That being said, the picture quality is still more than enough to justify that limitation. Alright, here's the verdict in all its glory, this TV truly is a masterpiece of modern engineering. It's not perfect by any means, but for what you get, I'd say it's an absolute steal at $1,700. Real talk, if you're due for an upgrade or just need that perfect viewing experience for those high-quality gaming sessions or cozy nights in with your family, look no further. If this saved you some time, hit subscribe. I drop honest Amazon reviews every single week. You'll find the link in the description if you want to grab one. Appreciate you watching.